This particular update I'm giving you now helped me get 6,000 watch hours for my channel monetizations under 2 weeks. And here is how I did it. First of all, I always recommend that you have 10 minutes videos, 15 minutes videos, 20 minutes videos, and what even more than that in your channel. If you can have that, good and fine. Then, once you have up to that long form videos in your channel, this is what you are going to do. Then create a playlist for those long form videos. Once you get a playlist, once you combine like maybe 20, 30, 40 or 50 long form videos in one particular playlist, if you can get more than that, safe, better for you. Then compile all those videos in one playlist. Get that particular playlist. Bring out that particular link now. You know, when people are watching more of that playlist, they are watching all the videos in your channels, and Facebook and YouTube is checking the dwell time of people in that your watch channel, and they are not going to leave till they exhaust that particular what playlist in those videos in your playlist. And you might be wondering which person will ever start watching your playlist without leaving till they exhaust all of those playlists. Here is the main update I'm going to give you now. Once you have added those videos in that playlist, then you are now going to subscribe to people around you and also subscribe to yourself if you have 2 or 3 phones. Look at what I want to do. Once you subscribe them, start telling them to help you to stream those videos, even if they can watch like 2 hours or 3 hours per day. Those ones are what a very good watch hours for your channels. If you have 3 phones or if you have 2 phones, start using one phone to upload and start using the other one to stream those videos. This is how we are going to do this thing now. For instance, if you be wondering which type of data would they subscribe to be able to stream like maybe 3 hours or 6 hours videos in your channel, look at the update here. Then, if you're in Nigeria, network provider sells night bundle data. Once you buy those night bundle data for those people you want to subscribe for, then those night bundles start from 11:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. till 5:30 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. You are going to subscribe them from that 11:30 till that 4 o'clock, and that data will not exhaust till that 4:30, and it is very, very cheap. Once you subscribe those videos, subscribe those night plans for them, they are going to watch it from that particular time till evening, and it's more than 6 hours. This is how to get it. But if you are thinking that you can use your phone and be streaming it, maybe you have like 2 Gmail accounts to be streaming it, they are not going to count it as watch hour. The reason is that it is one IP address. Once they have dictated that this particular IP is watching it, understand, you change another Gmail and use this same IP and watch it, they will not count it as a watch hour. Then, in as much as it's one phone, leave that to a particular phone unless you can change IP address and be watching it. But in as much as you are using one IP address to stream those videos, to change Gmail and watch it, it will be counted as a watch hour. Then once you subscribe to them, they will be streaming it for you because night bundles are cheaper than day plans. They will stream it for you till morning, and you'll be getting watch hours. In as much as you can tell anybody around you to stream those videos for you, it is definitely going to count as watch hours for you. In a space of 2 weeks, a space of even 1 week and some days, you are going to get 4,000 watch hours if you are consistent in this particular game. This thing actually helped me get my 4,000 watch hours in and monetize my channel as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers. This is basically what I did to get all my channels monetized. Then, those videos they are watching, make sure you add long form videos to those videos. If you do not add long form videos to it, it's going to be shorter. Once you add like 30 minutes videos or 20 minutes videos, and it is much videos in that particular playlist, then before they can exhaust that particular playlist, it will reach like 4,000 or 4 hours or 5 hours of consumptions of that particular video, and it's going to be counted as much watch hours for you. The more people are doing it, the more you are getting watch hours, unless you have been having views on your channel. Then if you have If this video has impacted you in a very long way, in a very much way, I will plead and beg you subscribe to my channel, or like, comment and share, so that this YouTube can push this video to people that actually need to watch it. And anytime I drop a video like this, I want to see it your notification. Thank you and remain blessed.